So hi! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-register ng UNLI20 sa ating Globe SIM. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video mula sa ating mobile device, pumunta lang tayo sa dial ng ating phone. And dito, dial lang natin is *143 number sign or hashtag, and then call. And after yan guys, dito may magpa-pop up na option. So hanapin nyo dito is yung all net. So nasa number 8 siya. Kaya ang i-type natin is number 8 and then send. So ayan guys, dito piliin na natin yung UNLI20. So nasa number 1, kaya ang ita-type natin is number 1. And then send lang natin. And ayan guys, sabi dito, kapag daw nag-register tayo ng UNLI20, makakakuha tayo ng unli calls and text to all networks. Plus, meron siyang 50 megabytes na data para sa lahat ng sites. Valid na yan siya guys for 1 day for only 20 pesos. So, para ma-subscribe or ma-register, type natin yung number 1 and then send. So, ayun lang guys, ganoon lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-register ng UNLI20 sa ating Globe SIM. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.